guys, my name's Madison. I'm a chiropractic assistant here at Kalkstein Chiropractic, and I'm here with Dr. Brady.
Hello everybody. Today we're going over a sprain strain type of injury for the cervical spine and upper thoracic spine here. And Maddie, take it away. What happened over the weekend here?
Well, I've been dealing with some pain in my levator scap. Whenever I look to my right, I have this stabbing kind of soreness and pain. I don't know what really could have caused it. I was putting up my Christmas tree. I was sleeping funny, as I always do, carrying boxes and stuff like that.
Okay. Gotcha.
I'm not sure.
Real Christmas tree?
Fake Christmas
Fake.
tree.
Okay, that's all right.
It is fake, but it's beautiful.
There you go.
It's
Nice.
6.5 feet,
Oh.
and it's colored lights instead of white lights, which I really like. So it's kind of like Y2K Christmas.
Okay, more modern. You don't have any like tinsel or anything like that on the tree?
No.
Okay, I gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, Maddie, go ahead and turn around here for me, for the audience here. So the levator scap that she mentioned earlier here is a muscle that attaches on that superior border of the scapula, and that muscle runs all the way up the cervical spine here and attaches to these upper cervical vertebrae of the transverse processes. So it's all the way from up here and runs down to that superior border. And one of the main actions of that muscle is to elevate that scapula. So if you're really carrying some heavy stuff like a Christmas tree, like Maddie's case here, and you have some irritation towards that tendon or the muscle belly, we're going to show you how we treat it here in the office. So Maddie, I'm going to do a few range of motion exercises here just to see how we're feeling after those, and you let me know if you have any pain or discomfort with those, okay? All right, so Maddie, go ahead and turn your head for me. So face the camera here. Yep. So go ahead and rotate your head towards that right shoulder there. Any pain or discomfort with that motion there? Okay. Same spot there on the right, or okay? And same thing with the left there. Go ahead and rotate that head over the left shoulder.
Fine.
Fine. Okay. Gotcha. Go ahead and laterally flex to the left. So bring that ear to the shoulder. Do you feel anything on that right side when you go to that?
No, not really.
Okay. And then same thing with the right?
Yes.
Yeah? You can feel it there. Okay. Where are you feeling it at specifically on the muscle there? Like down in here, more towards the shoulder blade, or up towards?
Down here.
Okay, so it's a little bit lower.
Yeah, like right in there.
Yeah, I feel that. Okay, so I'm going to bring the table on down here, Maddie. And if you can go ahead and go around the table, or jump over top of the table, whatever, and just have a seat facing that blue wall right there for me. All right, so I'm going to work on two muscles here today with Maddie as she hits the pedal on the table here. All good.
Sorry.
So first, I'm going to start with a muscle a little bit lower than the levator scap that we were talking about. I'm going to target the rhomboid here. You have a minor and a major. Maddie here has a lot of pain at the rhomboid minor, so it's a little bit higher, and it attaches right from this side of the spine all the way to the shoulder blade. So Maddie, we're going to go back to the disco days here, all right? Yep, but instead of going up and down, we're going to go to the side and then bring that arm the whole way across your body. Yep, just slow it down a little bit there for me. So you ready for Thanksgiving?
Oh yeah, I'm ready for the stuffing.
Are you cooking? Are you washing dishes?
Washing
just showing
dishes.
Up? Okay.
And gracing everybody with my presents.
Yeah.
Can't imagine
Right
cooking.
I know, for like 30 people or something like that.
Yeah, it's insane.
Yep, and you're just going to take that arm the whole way across, right through there, digging in. Yep, so as Maddie's going through the motion here, she's lengthening that rhomboid muscle, and I'm pinning the muscle down here and adding pressure with my thumb.
Ooh.
Yep, and just sliding my thumb all the way over towards her spine there. Give me two more, Maddie, but for these, go ahead and grab that wrist of yours. Yep, so with your left hand. Nope. There you go. Yep, and then pull it across as far as you can go. Good. Give me one more just like that. Good. And now for that levator scap here. So I'm going to start all the way up towards that insertion point up those upper cervical transverse processes. So I'm starting here. Maddie, go ahead and turn your head to the left there for me, please. Yep, tuck that chin down into that armpit. I'm going to be working that muscle out. Yep, and just keep doing that same motion. So starting all the way up here again. Adding pressure, going all the way down to that superior border of the scapula. Yep. And when I get down there, she feels pretty good up in the cervical spine, but right there for her, near that attachment at the superior border, and you might have been able to see that on the video of that knot jumping underneath my thumb there. Maddie, give me one more, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, if you can go ahead on your back here for me, please. You a Black Friday shopper too?
No, I'm not.
Cyber Monday?
Cyber Monday.
And day before, like Christmas Eve shopper too?
No.
Okay.
No.
Too stressful.
It's usually done by now.
Oh my goodness.
It's usually done by now, but I'm slacking this year.
Okay.
What are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Then drop that. Good. So. And if you can go face down. So going to my grandma's, I am bringing 2 sides, and then that's for lunch, and then going to my fiance's grandmother's house for dinner. Good. All right, Maddie, deep breath in, all the way out, nice and loose. Yep. Nice.
Wow.
Let me show you 2 stretches that I want you to do. All right, so the first one that I like for levator, go ahead and bring this arm behind your back for me. With this left arm, grab the back of your head, more the top, yep, and then rotate your head to the left, not your body, just your head, yep. And then you're gonna pull, let me do it first just to show you. And then, so you're gonna bring that chin to your left armpit there. Yep, just like that. And what I want you to do is drive that shoulder down just a little bit there. Feel that distraction right through there?
Yes.
Maybe you might be able to see it for the camera. And that's the next one we're gonna do. Maddie's gonna turn her head straight ahead, and we're gonna get a little bit of trap in there. Good, so it's 2 stretches. Trap when you're looking straight ahead, and then for the levator, we're just gonna angle it to the left a little bit, and then pull down from there. Feel the difference, Maddie?
Yes.
So those are the 2 I would work on here for. I do soft tissue work, laser therapy, and adjustments, and usually after a few appointments, you're all good to go. And just be careful and be more mindful when you lift heavy things.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
All good?
Yeah. Bye.
All right, see ya.